Okay, so I literally just finished working out, and I wanted to do this video because this is something that a lot of us with relaxed hair struggle with, and that is how to maintain your hair after working out. Let me start. Hold on. Interesting. Sorry. Okay, so the first thing that I would suggest is to not let your hair air dry. So normally when I go to the gym, I would take my hair moisturizer with me, which is the Lotta Body Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. It's very light. I love this. I apply this as soon as I'm done working out. I would apply probably about 3 pumps, 2 to 3 pumps of this, right? But because it started to air dry, and as I said, once it air dries, it's gonna be harder to get it, you know, looking good again. And I'm using one of these styling combs, so even if your hair is shorter, it's pretty much the same procedure. Moisturize as soon as you are finished working out when your hair is damp. All right, next I seal the moisturizer. No, I don't use a hair oil. I use one of these hair gloss things. It's really light. I don't use oil. So at a shorter length, I would brush my hair back. However, my hair is a little longer, and so I am wrapping my hair. Yes, good old wrapping your hair. A while ago when I was brushing my hair back, the ends felt really dry, so I decided to wrap it. All right, so I pretty much added a little bit more of the hair moisturizer to my hair, and you can seal it with a little. I don't use a lot of hair products in my hair because I don't want it to feel too heavy or clammy. So already my hair feels better, doesn't feel as trashy, and the middle is fine. The middle doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to get, you know, the ends right. So what I do after wrapping my hair, I would tie it with a special kind of head tie made with some kind of fabric that won't absorb any moisture, right? So nothing cotton based, preferably silk base or literal sheer. So this is good for persons who work out in the evenings. You go home, you wrap your hair in the gym, tie your head, go home, or wrap your hair, go home, tie your head. The thing is though, with wrapping your hair, you're gonna have to add curls to it the next day. But I literally have to curl it up in the mornings, or I curl it every other day depending, right? So if my hair was a lot short at the top, I would not wrap it, right? I would just brush down the sides, leave the top, and I would add the same products and I would tie it down, right, with a mesh head wrap, which I talk about all the time. But seeing that my hair is at this length, I don't use the mesh head wrap, I use a tie head. So this is pretty much what I use. So like now I would literally just tie my head, so I'm not too concerned about the middle, as I say. And I notice the material of this is sheer, so this does not absorb a lot of moisture. So pretty much that is it. So that is how what I do to my hair after working out at the gym, and this simple step makes a big difference. So remember, do not air dry. Do not allow your hair to air dry. Don't do it. And walk with your moisturizer. Take your moisturizer with you to the gym, so as soon as you finish and your hair is damp, you add the moisturizer, and at that point it's gonna be easier to kind of comb through because you know the hair is wet, damp from the root. And then add a little tip of the hair silk to lock in the moisture. If you don't have this, the hair silk is fine, but please ensure that you have some moisturizer with you. You know, you can carry a travel size container with a little of this with you to the gym. Leave it in your gym bag so you don't forget it. And then you go home, and if you're going out, let it dry and then you style. All right, so that's pretty much it, you know. That's it. That's what I do, and that's how my hair stays looking bomb diggity, right? All right, so any tips, feel free to put them down there in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share. Have a fabulous day.